$95,000. Smooth handling, fast acceleration, and surprisingly courteous cruising. FK Tech here. The Mercedes F1 racing team's reputation is behind the new C63, a powerful sports sedan with cutting-edge technology. Mercedes' entry luxury C-Class sedan's high-performance version is back for 2024 as the C63, but it will have a completely new engine. This new generation C63 is propelled by a gasoline engine half that size, a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that combines with an electric motor to make an incredible 671 horsepower in total. The previous generation was powered by a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 with either 469 or 503 horsepower. The excellent performance of the previous C63 is expected to be surpassed by the new plug-in hybrid system, even though the engine's characteristics have undoubtedly changed significantly. The smaller engine uses an electrically powered turbocharger system, similar to the one in Mercedes-AMG's Formula One race car, to help reduce turbo lag. A fully charged battery should provide you roughly 6 miles of driving range when using the vehicle in full electric mode. The new C-Class, which made its debut for the 2022 model year and has racer styling and a more refined interior, is largely the inspiration for the remainder of the package. The Junior C43 model will also be back in the lineup, according to Mercedes-AMG, though we'll talk about it separately. What is 2024 bringing? Unlike last year, the C63 is all new for the 2024 model year and will only be available as a sedan. In the middle of 2023, we anticipate seeing the 2024 C63 arrive at Mercedes dealerships. Depending on the trim and options, the 2024 Mercedes-AMG C63 is anticipated to cost between $95,000 and $115,000 in total. Mercedes-AMG has not yet disclosed pricing, but we anticipate that the C63 will be priced in accordance with the new trim levels that were introduced with the 2022 C-Class, with the premium base trim priced at approximately $95,000 and going up from there. Performance, engine, and transmission. The previous generation C63's twin-turbo V8 engine has been replaced with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine. Before you become dissatisfied with an engine that is only half as big as the previous one, you should be aware that this inline-4 will also have an electric turbocharger to lessen turbo lag and an additional 201 horsepower from an electric motor. At least on paper, the new high-performance plug-in hybrid propulsion system will give it an advantage over competing performance sedans like the BMW M3 and the Cadillac CT4V Blackwing, with a whopping 671 horsepower. This setup aims to deliver comparable performance to the outgoing car with better overall fuel economy. It permits some limited all-electric driving, but only for roughly 6 miles. We were pleased with the C63's precise handling and quick acceleration during our first test drive. We estimate that the powerful electric drivetrain will be able to reach 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds. We had the opportunity to test drive the vehicle both on a racetrack and on regular roads, and we found that it cruises more comfortably than the previous model. Battery life, charging time, and range. In addition to offering a little electric boost to improve performance, the C63's onboard battery pack can be used to run the vehicle solely on electrons when you need a peaceful commute. The 4.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack can be charged by using the car's regenerative braking or by plugging it into a power outlet or charging station. However, we estimate that it will only be good for about 6 miles of all-electric driving. Fuel efficiency and actual MPG. The 2024 C63 sedan's fuel efficiency has not yet been made public by the EPA. However, we anticipate seeing some improvements in fuel efficiency over the outgoing model, which was rated at 17 miles per gallon in the city and 26 mpg on the highway, thanks to the introduction of the smaller engine and hybrid system. We'll test drive the new C63 sedan on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route as soon as we can, and we'll update this story with the findings. Cargo, comfort, and interior. The AMG branded sports seats with weight-saving apertures and distinctive upholstery and stitching patterns distinguish the C63's cabin from that of the regular C-Class and junior AMG C43 model. We anticipate seeing a plethora of luxury and convenience features available, such as a panoramic sunroof, heated and cooled seats, 4-zone automated climate control, and more, even though Mercedes hasn't disclosed every feature and option. Connectivity and entertainment. The large 11.9-inch infotainment touchscreen that's built into the center console and tilted slightly toward the driver in the C43 model is probably going to be standard on all models. It is also expected that a 12.3-inch digital gauge display will come standard. For wireless connectivity, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ought to be standard. Additionally, a premium Burmester stereo system ought to be offered. Features for safety and driver assistance. Similar to the C43, the C63 will come equipped with a plethora of standard driver assistance features. Regrettably, though, the most innovative technology in the car, an adaptive cruise control system that uses navigation data to modify the speed of the car in anticipation of curves and roundabouts, will most likely remain an optional addition. Typical automated emergency braking that detects pedestrians. Lane keeping assistance and lane departure warning available. An option for lane centering adaptive cruise control. Coverage for maintenance and warranty. While competitors like BMW, Genesis, and Volvo provide 3 years of free maintenance, Mercedes-AMG does not include that benefit in its regular warranty offerings. In addition, an industry-standard warranty covering the majority of repairs for a maximum of 4 years or 50,000 miles is included with every new AMG. A 4-year limited warranty or 50,000 miles is covered. The powertrain warranty lasts for 50,000 miles or 4 years. No free plan maintenance. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.